Good morning. I got Melvin with me doing our walk. Just want to take a little video about Melvin's healing. Good healing, buddy. That's a good boy. Yes, a good boy. Let's go. Nice work, sir. That's a good boy. So with me, he basically knows, like, okay, when he says the word heal, we walk right there. We walk on this side or that side. I'm not a very big, I don't care what side. Just as long as he's not pulling my leash is slack and loose. And that's all it's about. Good job, buddy. And when he knows I stop, he stops. Yeah, good boy. Sit. Hey, sit. Thank you. Good job. Let's go. All right, we'll turn this way. Come on. We're being attacked by this bird. Let's go. Good job. I'll get your leash, don't worry. Good job, buddy. Yeah, that was interesting. The bird was dive bombing us. But anyways, we survived. So when you guys come for your lesson tomorrow, we'll show the e-collar stuff and we'll help you get to this type of healing. And yeah, it'll be good. All right, let's see. Onto the grass. Okay, free. Good job, buddy. Let's go. Oh. Good boy. You can go explore now.